Assalamualaikum and hi. Today me, Evan, my friends Alia, Afika, Bayi and Jiha representing from our kitchen to yours are going to share with you guys shepherd pie's recipe and its sauce. So, ta-da! This is a sneak peek of the ingredients. First, you have to have potato, chicken mince, cheese slice, egg, halim onion, carrot, butter, chicken cubes, spaghetti sauce, evaporated milk and black pepper.
First, we have to cut the potatoes into big cube. It doesn't matter actually because we're gonna boil it after this. Then we cut the carrot into small cube. It's actually have to be smaller than this. Next, we cut the onion also into small cube. Then we boil the potatoes first, and while waiting for the potatoes to cook, we start the fire first and put on the frying pan. Put some butter. Put some onion that we cut earlier. It's actually 3/4 from the onion because we're gonna save it later for the sauce. Then put some chicken. Another chicken. And we have to wait until the chicken was cooked. Next, we put some carrot. Then put the spaghetti sauce and then mix it. Then wait until it was cooked. Next, we put the chicken cube and mix it again. And some black pepper. And then some salt, some sugar. You can adjust by your own taste what kind of taste that you prefer and mix it again. This is the part that many people would love this. Add some cheese. Look at that. It's so yummy. And put another cheese and mix it again. And we're done with the chicken.
So now the potatoes have been fully boiled. Now add butter and a pinch of salt. Then mash the potatoes. Put evaporated creamer and continue to mash the potatoes until smooth. After that, add black pepper and mash all together until it is fully incorporated. Next, we can prepare for our pie to be baked. First, spread the chicken that we cooked before in an even layer in a casserole as the base. Then, spread the mashed potatoes over the top of it. Make it as an even layer like this. Next, spread the egg yolk onto the pie before we bake it. Actually, this yolk is too large, so please be sure to reduce it later. Then we can use a fork to make creative designs in the mashed potatoes. And our pie is ready to be baked. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes.
So now we're going to make the sauce. All we need are yellow onions, mushrooms, butter, chicken and beef cubes, black pepper sauce, flour, black peppers and evaporated milk. Let's get started. First, cut all the mushrooms into small pieces like this. I repeat, all the mushrooms, not only one. Then melt some butter in a pan. And add all the remaining diced onions. Saute them all for a minute or so. the chicken and beef cubes together and mix them well. Add some flour and stir it evenly. And add some evaporated milk. Stir until you get the right consistency. Here you may adjust it by adding some water if it is too thick or add more flour if it is too thin. Put in all the mushrooms and some black pepper. Stir them together and add some black pepper sauce and mix them well. And next, scoop all the sauce into a blender and blend it all in order to get a smoother texture. So now our sauce is ready.
So that's all from us. Thank you so much for your time watching our video. We really hope it helps you and good luck. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video, okay? Have a nice day everyone. Till we meet again. Bye bye.